What is reflection? The bouncing back of light after hitting any surface is called reflection of light. Take a wooden stand. Insert plane mirror in groove of wooden stand. Take a comb. Stick two black paper strips on the mirror so that a narrow slit is formed. Hold the comb perpendicular to the sheet of paper. Throw light from torch through the narrow slit of the comb from one side. The light ray which strikes the surface of the mirror is called incident ray. The point where the incident ray meets is called incident point. Draw a normal at incident point. The light ray which comes back from the surface after reflection is called reflected ray. The angle between normal and incident ray is called angle of incidence. The angle between normal and reflected ray is called angle of reflection. Keep protractor or pro circle perpendicular to the incident point. If the angle of incidence is 10 degrees, the angle of reflection is also 10 degrees. If the angle of incidence is 20 degrees, angle of reflection is also 20 degrees. If the angle of incidence is 30 degrees, angle of reflection is also 30 degrees. If the angle of incidence is 40 degrees, angle of reflection is also 40 degrees. If the angle of incidence is 50 degrees, angle of reflection is also 50 degrees. From this experiment, first law of reflection is proved. The first law of reflection states that angle of reflection is equal to the angle of incidence. Both angles are measured with respect to the normal to the mirror. That is, angle I is equal to angle R. Consider a table. Spread a sheet of paper beyond the edge of the table. Now put wooden stand on the table. Insert plane mirror in groove of wooden stand such that its reflecting surface facing towards us. Keep pro circle or protractor at middle of the mirror to measure angles. Suppose if we incident laser light at 30 degrees, it reflects at 30 degrees but does not go beyond the plane. Now make the paper straight without fold and spread on the table. Make the same arrangements. Now reflected light is seen on the same sheet of paper. From this experiment, we can conclude that incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal to the surface of the mirror all lie in the same plane.